guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, September the 29th, 2021. Almost end of the month. We have one puzzle left, a Tectonic with 4 stars. Could be a hard one, I do not know, but it will be number 3, 4, 6, 7. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. We will see if this is a hard one, because for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more for puzzle. Yes, 4 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see 2 single boxes. Single box is always a 1. Alright. Do we have here in this puzzle dual box? I see here dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. 1, but I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes. I see here a triple box. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. I see here 1, so this box can be 1. I see here 3. This box can be a 3. So 1 digit left should be the 2. 2 boxes left in this triple box, the 1 and the 3, but I do not know in which order. Alright, and if you see a triple box, the inside box of the middle box, yes, is always 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there, so it cannot be a 5 in this box. It should be a 4. Alright. Triple box. Do we have more triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No. I don't believe this. No quadra boxes. Alright. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or figures, constructions, structures, whatever you name it. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape rotated. Let me draw this T shape. Okay, this is the T shape. If you see the T shape, remember that this box is always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. So let me draw this. This box is the same number as that box. Alright, but also that box has the same number as this box. Alright, more T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The L structure or L shape. Let me draw this. The L shape. If you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. No L shapes. Let me see. This shape and this shape. Following shape. Here, let me draw this. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yes. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. Here another one. Also rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape. A quadra box. Overlooked. But I cannot fill this yet. Okay, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this. Okay, this kind of shape. If you see this kind of shape, this box is always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah, here, rotate it. So this box is the same number as that box. Here, another one. Yes, this box has the same number as that box. Alright, those are the shapes or figures in this puzzle that you need to recognize. We have here four. Only 4. There are more, but in this puzzle we have only 4. If you recognize those shapes, then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So the next step is, let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, these two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And these two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then 2 numbers left in this L shape. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. We have already there 5, so no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Alright. Then 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 boxes left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2, 5. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, then I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the option to, it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Alright. Then. Well, this box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a 1 and a 2, a dual box there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 2. And this box is connected with that box, so it's a 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here. So it cannot be a 1. It should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be a 2. 1 box. No. Yeah, I've marked this box with 1 or a 2, but now we have a 2 there. So this it cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. In this dual box, 1 digit left for the number 2. 1 box left in this T shape for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Then I need a 1 here. 1, 2, and a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this cross area shape for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. Alright. Well, this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 2 anymore. Otherwise, if I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it should be a 3, and that box should be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, but also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 and a 5 we have here. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then, I think this box, wait. We have 2 boxes left in the squadra box for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. And we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Okay. Then this box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. It's rather for 1 star. Yes, because I'm quicker or faster than 50 minutes for 1 star. You need to be faster than 50 minutes. And for 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. So it's, well, I don't think this is 4 stars. But I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. And also a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you'll find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great Wednesday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. See you then. Bye bye for now.